What is it, Daddy?
I need you to put away your toys so I can vacuum your room.
The faster Caillou. For the school bus to arrive. He couldn't wait until he was old enough to go to school.
Hi, Sarah.
This program contains violent material.
School bus once, but he couldn't wait to take it every day.
I wish I could go to school.
Lucky for him, at the end of the day, he was going to get his chance.
Go to school with Sarah?
Yes.
That sounds like a great idea.
Offset just came out. What with that and the new Doom being released, I just don't think I can give you the time you need. Forget me, big beautiful creature.
Oh, big.
Beginning to feel a little afraid of going into the school.
Do you want to hold my hand? You'll see, Caillou. School is
All cash 12,000. Congratulations. Well, you can get a whole bunch of not only to a little bit. You get
back here. Can we play ball in the classroom? We're not allowed to play with balls inside the school. Where is everybody? They're in the gym for assemblies. Come on, we have to go. What's assembly?